Welcome to HDN News. Wrong to improve service quality. Please do comment below to give us what you think. And here is today's news. Trey Songz hit more sexual assault allegations. Twitter is canceling him. R&B singer Trey Songz is currently fighting for his reputation after HDN News has learned that two Instagram thotties are accusing the R&B singer of holding them hostage and urinating on them. The two women appeared on the No Jumper podcast and claimed that Trey wouldn't allow them to leave the hotel room where they were being held, and had sex with them multiple times. One woman claimed that Trey urinated on her.
Bitch, please say who?
Trey Songz. I don't give a fuck.
Fuck
him. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
He wants me.
How did he surprise pee on you? What?
Okay, so I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom to wipe the nut off my face, like in between rounds. He follows me in there. He's like, get in the bathtub. I'm like, okay. So I do, and I'm like laying down, and he's standing over me like jacking off, and he's like, play with your pussy. I'm like, okay. So I do, and then he's like, play with your tits. So I do, and then he literally just peed on me like that, and I was like, what the fuck on my eyelashes? And he's like, you're fine, and I was like, okay.
You're fine. How many rounds has Trey Songz gotten him?
Oh, 5 million.
Really?
Yes. When I left, there was a pile of condoms on the ground. I was like, whoa, I don't even.
He wore a condom every time?
Yeah.
Holy
Thank God.
shit, this guy's got an invincible
Did you know
cock, huh?
how you told me?
What?
I wish she wasn't as nervous, but I'm not gonna make her go alone.
He already got mad at me for like talking about it, but I don't give a fuck.
Who cares, bitch?
Trey.
Just don't ever see him.
Terry?
No, Trey. But
Trey.
every bitch I know that has fucked him says the same shit. Like,
That he pees on him?
yeah,
I think
and
his
he's
kid.
psycho. Like he took my phone and my purse away for like a whole day, held it over the balcony, was like, bitch, if you try and leave, I'm gonna drop this shit. I'm like,
But y'all didn't want to believe me. Okay.
And he's
he
just.
did the same thing to her. Like he just does the same shit.
Yeah.
He's like weird.
But so he keeps you in a hotel room for this long, and he's just fucking you like a million times?
Yeah, and I kept asking like, when can I leave? What time is it? And he like just wouldn't answer. He would just fucking ignore me, and I'm like, okay. And then he was like, you can leave when I go like to my flight. And I was like, okay, when's that? Wouldn't tell me. I'm like, okay.
I don't know if it's just me, but I'm the kind of guy where it's like, if I had a girl...
Thanks for watching our video. Goodbye and see you again. Goodbye.